Now please. Now we all go inside. Tuni master by some.
The health officer, Chikaling Cottage Hospital, made a request to the Lions Club saying that they have no facility for collecting the garbage. And our past district governor, MJF Lion Olarico Rodriguez, took this initiative when he was approached by the hospital authorities. And I'm thankful to our own lion, Srinivas Chari, who readily agreed to construct this beautiful garbage collection shed for us. I'm also privileged at this very moment that we have our very own district governor with us here, who's come all the way from Hubli. And we are very happy and we are thankful to him, sir. Welcome, and very nice of you to agree to come and inaugurate this shed of ours. I only appeal to all the people of Vasco, because this is a major hospital of the Mormugao Taluka. And this garbage collection thing, I appeal that there's a lot of garbage seems strewn around the hospital campus. Now at least that will stop and all the garbage will be collected in this shed. I think it's a very good need-based garbage collection shed that we have constructed.
I must thank the district governor and Dr. Sujata for doing the inauguration of this shed. Dr. Sujata and the staff members spoke to me that they have some more requirements in the hospital, which I can assure you, we will do it, but may not be from the Lions Club of Dabolim. Some other club may do it, but we will definitely meet all your requirements. Thank you for the privilege that you give to us to be of some assistance to the hospital. Thank you.
It is a wonderful thing that you are segregating the dry waste and the wet waste and also keeping it in a cage, because otherwise it is spreading out somewhere and anything which is harmful also might go in there and it will cause infection. Here it is secluded at one place. So it is very easy to maintain, and even hygienity of the hospital is more better. So it's a job well done by Lions Club of Dabolim, and thanks to the hospital management to give the providing the space here. Thank you very much.
On behalf of Sub-District Hospital Chikalim and the entire Vasco citizens of Vasco, I would like to thank the Lions Club of Dabolim for doing us this great favor of building a dry waste cage. It was the need of the hour, because see, all the animals, everyone was just getting into the bin and removing this. With this cage, the waste will be segregated in one place. I thank you a lot, sir. Thanks a lot. Thank you again.
Thank the President.
Thank you. Thank you.